Hey, what's up? How are you? Welcome back. Yeah, it's weird to talk to the camera, but I know you're looking and I know that you're here to see some delicious drinks. Today is the first day that I'm actually making not one, but 5 of my favorite rum cocktails. So I'm gonna get smashed and you will probably get bored after the second one and turn off the video. Anyway, let's make those drinks. So why rum? Because I love rum. I love drinking rum, pure or in cocktails. I just want to say that this video will not be about rum itself and the different categories, the different styles of rum, because this is such a big complex matter that I will have to speak probably an hour. So let's go, let's make some drinks. First cocktail is going to be easy, so easy. It's not even a cocktail, it's a highball. We're gonna build it straight into a highball glass or some type of a tall glass, and no shaking, no stirring, just pouring everything in there and enjoy. I love making this drink because it doesn't take me any time. When I come back tired from work or just don't have any time or I'm lazy, I can just make myself this drink. It's pretty much the signature cocktail of this rum, Goslings Rum, right? But feel free to use any different type of rum which you like, which you think will fit in there. Maybe even light Cuban rum will work as well. So yeah, I'm doing it because this is the original and I do like it. I think it matches perfectly. So without further ado, let's make it. First, I'm gonna add my ice spear, which I pre-cut it specially for this drink. I want to show off, to be honest, but feel free to use ice cubes or any type of ice you have at home. So we added the ice, then squeezing half of lime. Normally, this one is too dry, so I'm gonna add a second half, just to add enough sourness for this drink. There you go. And then normally, if I would do it just for me, not for a video or for the thumbnail, I would first add the rum and then top it off with ginger beer, yeah, standard. But in this case, we're gonna make something very good looking, which is also the signature serve of the Dark and Stormy. So I'm using ginger beer, right? So we're gonna add ginger beer, not all the way to the top. We're gonna leave just about enough for 50 ml of rum or more. So, and then we're gonna slowly, without, that wasn't slowly, I missed. But still, you can see how the rum basically was layered in this case. So yeah, this is how it should look. I mean, it should be a much thicker line. But yeah, that's in Dark and Stormy. We can use a piece of the lime, which we earlier had. Place it here. And there you have it. First drink is the Dark and Stormy. Cocktail number 2 is a Rum Old Fashioned, which many of you have heard of. You heard of the Bourbon Old Fashioned, Rye Old Fashioned, the Oaxaca Old Fashioned. So why not Rum Old Fashioned? It's super easy to make. It's so easy. You just have to build the ingredients into your glass and then enjoy your sip. To start off, I'm gonna add 1 spoon of Demerara simple syrup. So it's pretty much a brown sugar syrup, 1:1 in this case. There you go. Then I'm gonna add 4 dashes of Angostura bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this old fashioned, I'm going with one of my favorites, Botucal Reserva Exclusiva. So we're gonna add 60 ml or 2 ounces. There we go, all in there. As for the ice, I am using a big ice cube straight into my old-fashioned glass, just like this. Oops, spilled it. Give it a couple of stirs, just to mix everything, to give it a small dilution, to chill up all the ingredients. Yep. Finally, garnish it with a nice, juicy, full of essential oils, orange zest. Just to add some aroma. And that's it. The Rum Old Fashioned. Let's try. Bombastico.